MPC Connect gives you the ability to do really cool things with your website. Let's say you have a need for a form on your website to collect information, let's say for new employees or looking for new employees. Typically, you'd have to pay a programmer or buy a program off the shelf to accomplish this and have that information collected from your website and then get it to you somehow. Not so with MPC Connect websites. With our sites, we have what are called modules, and some of the modules have functionality. There's a standard toolbox of these that we include with your website, and we can also custom program new modules for you to basically do anything that you can dream of. So today we're going to take a look at how we would add a MultiForm module to your website to support looking for new employees. So what we're going to do is we're going to come up to modules. We're going to look at all categories. We're going to go in and select the MultiForm module. We're going to tell it we want it in the content pane, and we're going to place it at the bottom. And we're going to click Add Module. And now we can see at the bottom that we have the new MultiForm module, but it's not very exciting. We just have a Submit button, which isn't going to do us any good. So we're going to hover over Manage, go to Settings, go to the MultiForm settings, and we're going to start adding information to our field. At the top, we're going to enter what controls we want on the form. So first, we're going to start with a text box, call it Name. We're going to add an additional field. We're going to call it Phone. Add an additional field, call it Email. We're going to add a Dropbox or a drop-down list. Heard about us, and we're going to say website, Google, radio, TV, friend, other. And then we're going to put it in a comment style box, which is a large text box, and we're going to call it qualifications. And we're going to put in another one called education. And we're going to put in a drop-down list for desired position, sales, marketing, design, programming. And we're going to add in a text box for best time to contact. And we're going to save those fields, so we have them for the form. It shows that they were saved. And we're going to add the ability to upload a file, and we're going to label that file upload as resume. We're going to add a CAPTCHA, which helps prevent spam. So we're going to put in a human readable question and answer. It gives us the ability to tweak the styling for the MultiForm, so if we want to change the colors on it, the widths, etc., we can tweak those here. We set the email address that we want the form delivered to after someone fills it out and submits it. We can set up an email template to have additional information for when it's emailed to us. So we're just going to do that so we can see that. And then we're going to click Update. And then if we visit the bottom of the page, we'll see we have an employment form built. We're going to change the title of the module, so instead of saying MultiForm, it's something a little bit more meaningful. So we're going to call it Employment Form. It's going to update again. And then we're going to switch the site to view mode, and we can see the new form. So then we're going to test it out. We're not going to upload a file in this case. We have to answer the CAPTCHA. We're going to hit Submit. It's going to tell us thank you. And now if I go over and check my email, we'll see that we've gotten a message You can see the additional email template header that I put in, all of the fields that were on the form, and the information that was submitted. This has been looking at the MultiForm module and how easy it is to collect information from your users to help your business. Thank you for watching. This has been MPC Connect.